Welcome to WorkIQ. If you've already logged in before, just click on the sign in page. But if you're starting out from the scratch, just click get started. If you're signing in for the first time, obviously you need to click on sign up, and then you put your email address and a password. And then you click create your account. Once you create your account, it will ask you to basically verify. So it's going to send you a code. And obviously, if you've signed in through Gmail, you will not need to fill out this code. So for me, I'll fill out my code and I'll verify my email. Once you've logged in, you still need to fill out some more information. And so fill this all out and then click next. And organization size, I'll just fill something out and then click next. What primary AI I'm using? Copilot. And then your organization's AI maturity. How advanced is your organization in using AI? 1 is just starting, 5 is AI first. So I'm probably putting them maybe number 2, just starting or something. Click get started. And this allows you to now get started with the application.